Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Hampton Bay Terrace Park LED pathway lights, black in color. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you get inside when you purchase this from Home Depot. So first of all, we're going to start off with your manual, which is really important that you hold on to it, and hopefully you get one. I understand that a lot of people that when they purchase items, they don't get the manual. So you can check my YouTube channel and playlist for the manual for this product on my playlist for Hampton Bay. And also it's going to be in English and in Spanish. And you will also get 4 top parts. And as you can see, this is the inside part. And if you uncover the top parts of this, you'll find that you'll be able to pull that yellow tape, which will activate the light, and also where you have your battery for it. Also, you get 4 poles, and as you see from the very bottom, the 4 stakes that you knock into the ground, they're reversed right over there. So that's all you get, okay? So you get the 4 poles, the 4 stakes, which are reversed right over there. You get the 4 top pieces. And if you unscrew the top part, pull the tape, it'll activate the light. And then you get the manual, which covers both in English and in Spanish. And that's from the box. All right, so this is the unboxing of the Hampton Bay Terrace Park LED pathway lights. It's a 4-pack. And you can also check out the review and what these lights look like when they're fully assembled. So hey, thanks a lot for checking out this this video really quick. You can see my manual video and other videos on my YouTube channel playlist for the Hampton Bay Terrace Park LED pathway lights. Thanks a lot. Bye.